Hey guys, Ball full of happiness here. Happy Friday. It is exactly 9 o'clock. Just hit 9 o'clock. The air quality is moderate if I go to it. 51. There it's right now. Is because there's smoke in the air. If I could outside, look at it, you can see smoke in the air. But then this is what it looks like through today through Monday. Then Tuesday through Friday, then Saturday and Sunday. Then it's right now 75 out. So yeah. If you smell smoke, that's because of those wildfires that are happening. And this is a little voiceover, but the main thing that I'm recording this is because that I won't have any audio because I could not find a channel to record the severe thunderstorm watch. I just looked hard. I still can't find it, but this I did found a off-brand one, but I forgot to record my phone. To have the microphone on and turn it up all the way, but my microphone was not working, and I was mad about that. But I'm still gonna have the script, the little thing right here, right where my finger is. I'm gonna still have that there. I'm gonna have music behind it, and yeah. So yeah. So let's go back to the severe thunderstorm watch, and you can watch the video for now.